What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, my name is Zen and I'm a PDR technician. And today we will be fixing this little thing here on an Audi Q2. Something fell on this hood, bonnet, however you want to call it. And we'll try to get it out using only PDR techniques. Damage is quite severe. There's a crown going on right here. Tiny low, but the big thing is here. Many impact points. It's going over the body line. It created a big crown here. It has a sharp crease going this way. So this will be fun. After taking this liner off, just 2 clips here and here, there is a really nice access. Right here, we will enter on the dent. After some struggle, the dent is finished. We did sand, we did polish to get that mirror finish. All that's left to do is put this back together and get the car out of here. But before we check out the finished result, please make sure you press the like and the subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.